walk through the term fried egg, or commonly called a plugged lie. The slang term in golf that we use to describe a ball that comes to rest embedded directly into a sand of bunker, or the sand bunker. That's what we call a fried egg. Why do we call it that? When a golf ball hits soft or wet sand with enough velocity, it buries itself with just the top of the white ball visible against a darker background with the surrounding sand visibly. It looks uncannily like a fried egg. The white golf ball is the yolk, and the surrounding sand is the white part of the egg. So why is this a problem? A fried egg's never a good thing when it comes to golf unless you're going off and getting a breakfast sandwich. A fried egg here is one of the most deadly lies for golfers for many reasons. There's no clear contact to pick it from because the golf ball is sitting below the surface of the sand. Your club face cannot clearly strike the ball from the back. You also have a sand cushion is gone. With a normal bunker shot, you hit behind the ball, letting the sand propel the ball out. Now, with a fried egg, the sand is packed tightly around beneath the ball, making it act almost like a buried rock. And it has an unpredictable rollout. The ball usually comes out rolling low and hard, or very little backspin, making it difficult to stop on the green. Can you play a fried egg today? Well, ditch the lob wedge. Use a sand wedge and even a pitching wedge with less bounce here. The leading edge can dig into, so that the leading edge can dig into. Open your club face less. Unlike normal bunker shots where you would lay the club face open, keep the club face square or slightly tightened and close. The bounce of the ball causes the club to skip off the bank of the sand and skull the ball over the green. Now, aim left for writers and golfers because the face will cause the ball to heavily go right. Aim your ball significantly left and hit harder and steeper. Play the ball slightly back of your stance. Take a deep, steep swing, roughly 2 to 3 inches behind the ball, driving the club straight down into the sand. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come about quick ways to learn about some of the terms that you've heard on a golf course. If you made it this far, be sure to subscribe down below to the Professor, an independent golf channel that has been focused on fun, affordable golf in your area. And if you made it this far, take a look at some of the other videos that have now popped up on your screen. Just a fried egg, but also many other terms in golf that we have used over the years. And be sure to let us know in the comment section any other information that you would like to know here with the Professor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area.